Mohammed, yes, you right now you are the only one watching today. But as I will tell you, people have been downloading the podcast version of this show and have been watching the replay in a pretty increasing number day over day. So I'm excited that I get to come out here, do this. Plus, all these stories are being chopped up and brought. Are made available over the course of the rest of the day as individual videos, and those some of those have hit several hundred views in that day. So I love being able to bring this stuff, bring stories to the forefront, highlight different companies, different strategies, and really the what makes the EntrepreNEWS. So if you have any questions, Mohammed, please feel free to drop it in the chat and I will get to it before the end of the video. I saw that you gave a thumbs up, by the way, in the comments, but it disappeared. I couldn't see it and heart it. So I'm glad that you saw the answer that you to the question you asked yesterday.